Are you struggling to keep track of your billable hours? Are you missing out on potential revenue? Discover Clockify, the free time tracking software designed specifically for consultants. With Clockify, you can effortlessly track both billable and non-billable time. Maximize your earnings by logging every call, email, and meeting. Monitor your project progress easily. Set estimates and receive alerts when projects go over budget. Improve your profitability. Break down track time by client and project, and instantly see your earnings. What sets Clockify apart? It offers a user-friendly interface, unlimited team invitations, and integrates seamlessly with apps you already use, like Trello and Asana. Don't wait. Start tracking your time with Clockify today. It's free forever. Create your free account now and take control of your productivity.